Today's STEM quick win is furniture for Goldilocks, and it's inspired by the fairy tale Goldilocks and the Three Bears. To learn more about the content behind today's STEM quick win, check out the activity sheet linked down below. Now let's get into the video.
We are going to take on today's challenge. Today's challenge is another engineering challenge that's inspired by a fairy tale. At my house right now, currently, one of our favorites is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And so today's challenge is kind of inspired by that fairy tale.
So a little quick summary of the story is that the three bears are going out for a picnic in the woods, and the main character Goldilocks is going for a stroll through the woods, and she finds this house. And so she wonders what's inside. So she walks inside, and there are 3 chairs, 3 beds, and 3 bowls of porridge.
Right, so she's kind of testing out and looking around and trying to find something that's kind of the right fit for her, or that she likes the best. And that's exactly what furniture designers do when they're thinking about the furniture that they have to build to meet the wants and needs of their clients. We have little Goldilocks, or little dolls that we found that we can use as our Goldilocks. And when we're thinking about the engineering design process, we start usually with the ask. So that ask or that problem is, can you create that chair or bed for Goldilocks that's strong enough or sturdy enough to hold her and just her size? So then as engineers continue on in the process, they imagine some different possibilities and then come up with a plan. So what are you thinking? What kind of piece of furniture do you want to build today?
So I think I'm probably going to build a bed.
A lot of times it's helpful to put your plan on paper. So Lynn, did you come up with a little sketch or a design?
Yeah, I'm going to be using a rectangular piece of cardboard. And then for the legs, I was going to use popsicle sticks. And then I'll have her on top, and I will do some sort of blanket on top too.
All right, so that sounds like a pretty awesome bed. So once you have a little bit of time to work, you can go through, and that's when you're going to get to some of these other steps in the engineering design process. As you're creating, you might also be kind of testing out to see what works well and maybe what doesn't work, doing a little bit of reflecting on that, and then maybe even coming up with some improvements or changes that you can make to make your design even better. So London, let's see what you came up with.
So this is my design.
Oh, that looks great. Let's go ahead and grab your little Goldilocks and test it out and see how it works. Oh, look at that. Strong enough to support her and just her size. So you definitely nailed those criteria for today's challenge. So we're really excited. You can use whatever materials you have on hand and use whatever kind of little stuffed animal or little figurine that you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!